Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.2. This is under CBSE Math chapter number 1. So under integer chapter, this is exercise 1.2 and this is question number 1. So we have to find out a pair of integers. That means we have to find out two integers whose sum. So when we are adding them, we will get minus 7 as answer. So here when addition is there, so we need two integers whose sum is minus 7. So first of all, it is minus. So bigger integer or bigger number should carry minus sign. Then only it will carry minus sign. Now here it is 7. So when these two integer, one is positive and one is negative, these two integer will being added up. Then only we will get minus 7. But here one integer is negative. So this cannot be addition, it will be subtraction. So we need to write two integers whose subtraction will be minus 7. So here we will get 12 and 5. This is one pair, or we can write 8 and 1, a simple one. Any one pair we can choose. But in this, the bigger number should carry negative sign. So here I am writing minus 8 plus 1. So this is sum of two integer, that is minus 8 and plus 1. So here we will get answer minus 7. It is an addition, but with bigger numbers negative sign, this will lead to subtraction. Now here we have to find out the difference. That means with two integer we have to do subtraction and the answer should be minus 10. That means bigger number should carry negative sign. So here either you can put bigger number, or here whatever number you will put, that should be minus. But when you are putting here the negative number, then this negative will become plus and we have to do addition. There are two possibilities. Let us check both. So first, when we are putting here negative number. So for example, if I will put negative number here, so minus 5. So this minus and this minus will become plus. Here also I will put 5. So this minus will become plus and we will get minus 10. So here I have placed minus sign. Now in second option, when I am putting integer here with negative 10, here answer. So here when we are putting a bigger number, for example 11. So minus 11 is there. And here if I am putting 1, then 1 minus 11 we will get 10, and that too it will carry negative sign. So there are two possibilities. Here also the minus 10 answer will be there. Here also the minus 10 answer will be there. But in this case, this will be addition. And in this case, this will be subtraction. And here we need to find out the difference. So better we will write this. Then the third one, the sum is 0. Now it is obvious then that one integer is negative and one integer is positive. Then we will get answer 0. Any integer you can take, one negative, one positive, but your answer will remain same, that is 0. Exercise 1.2, question 2. So here write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So here they have clearly mentioned that we have to write pair of negative integers. So this will be our first integer, this will be our second integer and their difference. That means here also the negative sign will be there, and then the answer will be 8, and that too positive 8. So here when we are putting a bigger number here, then it will become minus plus. So here let us put 13. So this minus will become plus. So 13, and here we will put 5. So from this what we will get is minus 5 plus 13, and the answer will be plus 8. So that is how we will solve it. Here it will be bigger number. So that then only this minus minus will become plus. So whenever you are solving this kind of question, first put all the sign, then answer, then it will be easy for you to judge that which two signs are coming together and which two signs will lead us to the answer. And actually we are doing here subtraction or addition. Once you are putting all this sign and the blanks which we need to fill in, then only it will be clear to you. Now next, write negative integer and positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Now one is negative integer, then other one is positive integer, and its sum is minus 5. Sum, that means we have to add here. Now one is negative integer and one is positive integer. So when we will get minus 5? When this bigger number has negative sign. So here let us put 12 and plus we will put here 7. So when we will add this two, this will lead to subtraction and it will carry bigger number sign. So minus 12 plus 7 and we will get minus 5. Here you don't need to choose a bigger number. Choose a number less than 15 or even less than 10. So it will be easy for you to calculate, and here what is important is which number will carry negative sign and how it will impact to our answer. Third one, write a negative integer and positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Now first negative integer we have to write and we have to write positive integer here and whose difference. So in between negative sign should be there and here the difference should be minus 3. Now when minus 3 is here, if we will see here, minus is here and minus is here. So whatever number we will place here, those two numbers will be added up at the end. So if I will put here 1 and if I will put here 2, then minus 1, minus 2, both are minus, so minus minus will become plus, so we have to add them. So then only we will get 3 and it will carry bigger number sign, that is minus. Exercise number 1.2, question 3. In a quiz, team scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. So here our team A and that team has scored minus 40, then 10, then 0, and B team has scored 10, then 0 and minus 40 in successive 3 rounds. Which team scored more? Now if you will see the numbers are same, and in addition, once you will add numbers in any pattern, your answer will remain same. So here minus 40 is there, here also minus 40 is there. 10, 10, 0 and 0. So if we can arrange this in minus 40, then 0 and then 10, then all numbers are same. Here also minus 40, 0 and 10. When we are arranging number towards left hand side, we are adding all the negative integers, in between 0, and towards right hand side all positive integers. So we will get to know that how many negative marks are there and how many positive marks are there. Now the total is 0, we are not counting, minus 40 plus 10. So we have to subtract 10 from 40 and the answer is minus 30. So both team will score minus 30. And can we say that we can add integers in any order? So yes, we can add integers in one specific order, and that order is this, that towards left hand side all negative integers and towards right hand side all positive integers. Exercise 1.2, question number 4. So here we have to fill the blanks, and this is based on the properties of addition over integer. So in this we have to write the missing numbers. Here minus 5 is there, here minus 8 is there. So towards right hand side minus 8 is there, then what should come there if we want to make this two term equal? It is very easy, it should be minus 5, because here minus 5 is there. Now here minus 53, what we can add into this so that we will get minus 53. So obviously 0. When we are adding 0 to any integer, negative or positive, we will get the same integer. 17. What we can add to this 17 so that we will get 0. So minus 17. Moving towards fourth question. In this, they have given 13 plus minus 12 plus we have to fill in the blank here equals to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7 is there. So if in this all the integers would have been positive, then we could have just write here 7. But into this the negative integers are also there. So negative integers are not going under the distributive properties of integers or associative properties of integers. It does not hold true for negative integers. It holds true only for positive integers. So we cannot write directly minus 7 here. So what we can do is, here the answer we are guessing is x. Then we will solve this equation and at the end we will get the value of x. So let us see. 13 plus minus 12 plus x equals to 13 plus, first we will solve this. So minus 12 minus 7. So it is going to be addition. So 12 plus 7 we will get here 19, and that too minus 19 we will get here from this bracket. Now here let us solve this. So 13 minus 12. So we will get here 1 and that too plus 1. Plus x equals to 13 minus 19. So we will get here minus 6. So x equals to minus 6. This one we are taking over this side. We are changing the side of 1. So it is going to be minus 1. The positive 1 will become minus 1. So here x equals to what we got here is minus 7. So the answer for this blank is minus 7. Fifth question. Minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 equals to minus 4 plus 15 plus we have to find out that which integer will come here. So let us guess this integer as x, because here minus integers or negative integers are also there. So we cannot directly write there minus 3. We have to find out. So minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 equals to minus 4 plus 15 plus x. Now let us solve this. First we are solving this and this. So here we will get minus 4 plus 15 minus 3. So we will get here 12 and that too positive 12 equals to minus 4 plus 15. So here we will get 11 because minus plus, here we have to do subtraction and it will carry bigger number sign. So plus 11 we will get here plus x. Now this 11 we can take towards this side and it will become negative. So here we will get minus 4 plus 12 minus 11 equals to x. Now let us solve this first. 12 minus 11. We got here 1. Minus 4 plus 1 equals to x. So here we have to do subtraction. Minus plus will become minus. So it is going to be 3 and it will carry bigger number sign. So minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 is our answer.